Hello everybody, welcome back. If you have been following my channel recently, you will know that I recently did a lawn renovation on my front lawn here, and it's been coming in quite nicely, but I am starting to get quite a few weeds. There's crabgrass, got some clover coming in, there's dandelions in spots. So today I'm going to be trying this product from Gordon. It's the Q4 Plus, and we'll get that mixed up and we'll spray an application, and we'll check back in a few days and see how it's progressing. This is a great little handy tool to have. It's an inflator deflator by Ryobi. Operates off your 18-volt batteries. You can get it at your local Home Depot or online on Amazon. So check it out, I recommend it. I use it for camping. It's handy to keep in your vehicle in case your tires go flat. Before you start, make sure you put on your gloves whenever you're dealing with any kind of herbicides. I like to use these 7mm Hardies. They're pretty heavy duty. They don't tear as easy as the thinner ones. So I'm going to start off mixing 3 ounces per gallon as per the instructions for my perennial ryegrass. And then I'm going to be adding a few ounces of the surfactant to help that work a little bit better. So I just got done, finished up spraying. I went back and forth, up and down this way, and then I went across back and forth this way just to be sure that I hit every spot. So we'll check back in a few days and see how well this Q4 Plus works. 3 days ago I sprayed this newly renovated lawn with the Q4 Plus, and we'll check out the results and see how well that product works. It's a new herbicide that I'm trying out. I've seen a lot of good reviews on YouTube and other forums that it works really well, and it works pretty quick. So let's take a look here at the results after 3 days of spraying the application. So most of my weed problems were right along the edge of the driveway where I didn't get enough water when I first seeded my lawn. So it took over with weeds. So I went ahead and sprayed it down. This is 3 days ago. Everything is turning brown, looking really nice. Here you can see the results on the crabgrass. It's really killing it off quick. And this area here, it's starting to kill it off. I've got this weed growing in here, and you can see it's starting to turn yellow, brown leaves. This stuff spreads. It's almost evasive. It's like a viney growing right along the surface. and I've had problems controlling it in the past with my previous lawn. So I'm hoping that this Q4 will take care of that problem. In this area here, I had that real tall weed growing. It's starting to knock it down pretty good. Some of it's turning pretty brown at the base. Overall, it's looking pretty good. So it's been 3 days since I applied that Q4 Plus, and I watered it in once lightly. I recommend after a 24-hour period to water it in slightly. So I think I'm going to go ahead and mow the yard today and see how it looks. Well, thanks for joining me today. As you can see, if it picks up very good, but there's a few yellow spots on my lawn. That's where the Q4 Plus is actively working to kill all the weeds in the lawn. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can find the Q4 Plus and give it a try for yourself. So far, I think the results are fantastic. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm going to keep giving you updates on the progress of this lawn renovation. I'm going to be applying some new fertilizer to it, aerating it, and overseeding it again in the near future. So please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Remember to get outdoors with Deano.